So this is my 2006 YZ85. It has FMF big bore kit on it, so it's bored out to a 110. So the reason that I'm doing this is because I'm showing what's with the chains. So this is my old chain. The masterlink on it broke. This is the old one. Snapped off and broke. This is a new chain. Don't mind this, it doesn't fit the bike. Leave that over there. So the chain is off right now. Everything's off. So I guess I'm just showing you around here because I need to order a new masterlink for this chain so that we could put it all back on. Obviously, I don't know why else you would get one. This is all Renthal R1. I don't know what chain this is. It's just a Renthal R1 works chain. This is the 420 R1 works chain over here. My Renthal R1 works chain. And down there at the bottom, I don't know if you can see it, 420 R1 chain. It just says does not have chain for red interlinks. So this is the 420 R1 works chain. This is some other R1 Renthal chain. Don't know which one it is. But I'll just make another video once I get the little new masterlink for this chain. I have an older Renthal rear sprocket on here. It's pretty old. I probably should get a new one soon. And then I think this may be just the stock front sprocket. It's 14 tooth front sprocket right here. And if you could see right up there, that's where this chain, that's how I figured out it wouldn't fit, get knocked off on the teeth here, and it would grind against that metal because it was bumped off the teeth and didn't fit. So I guess that's just a little checkup on my project now. I'll make another video once I get the new masterlink. Okay, bye-bye.